Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 MG HS Excite. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 160 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 37 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Brixton Blue and it's in good condition if age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all you've got the leather seats there, which are really comfy and supportive, and as you can see, in great condition. There's also a armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The HS is a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening. Also a nice raised driving position there as well, so getting in and out is easy. And lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And then just below that, you've got your 2 USB ports. As we open the tailgate, you'll see you've got a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've got some extra storage, which is there, and it also includes your warning triangle. And then below that, you've got your tyre inflator kit and some even more storage, so really practical. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.